Mining plays a crucial role in supplying raw materials for just about every industry. It's everywhere, and it's ever changing. Mining is evolving with increased automation, digitization, renewable energy integration, and a growing focus on sustainability and responsible mining practices shaping its trajectory. To stay relevant, companies within the mining industry need to make sure they're working towards these goals or risk being left behind. Hi, I'm Greg Kandare, General Manager at Acumen Learning, and we've had the opportunity to work with the world's largest mining companies. At Acumen Learning, we help our clients achieve results through our business acumen training. Now you might ask why business acumen is important in the mining world. Simply put, we need to see the big picture if we want to make financially informed decisions that effectively navigate the complex economic and regulatory landscape. If you don't know your company's strategy, how do you know the return on your investment? What's the long-term and short-term financial impact to key company measures? Contributors and leaders with good business acumen know how to answer these questions. They know how to make decisions that align with the company's vision and contribute to their financial success. Our job here at Acumen Learning is to help you achieve the results you want by empowering your people to make better, faster, stronger decisions. Decisions that align with your strategy and financial goals. Participants who attend our workshops understand the language of business, are equipped to better align their efforts with the direction of the company, know your key metrics, and most of all, know how to use all of that to take action that ultimately contributes to the financial success of your company.